Smart House Portal tutorial number 6, how to log a beeping smoke alarm. Log into the portal on the Smart House website landing page using your username and password. To log a beeping smoke alarm, we need to follow the same process as adding a new property. Select the Add Property button on the top right of the dashboard. Add the details of the property. Add the service details, smoke alarm, existing property, beeping smoke alarm, any notes relevant to the job, tenant names, select the Create button and select Yes, and the property will be sent to our scheduling team to contact the tenant for an appointment.